folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's, and today I am going to be baking in the Nordica Milly Wood Cookstove for you guys. So I'm excited to do baking because last time I did baking I was doing higher temperature foods, and then it kind of sent this impression that Nordica could only bake high temperature things. I state that Nordica can bake these higher temperature things because not all cook stoves can reach these temperatures of like 700 degrees in the baking oven. Okay, so these are hot temperatures that are really nice for the breads, the pizzas, things like that. But that does not mean that we can't bake lower temperature items. So I want to show you guys how the fire is operating right now. In the video, even you don't see like this huge roaring fire. Started with the half a box of kindling, let that burn down, and honestly that would have been okay. But we ended up adding some extra wood, which is just fine. There's just two small little logs in there, which is basically kind of like the medium burn that I show you guys in the first burn video. So at that point, when we came out here, it was really, really warm in the showroom, and we're still at like these lower temperatures where we can bake. So a lot of people think like, oh, well, if I have to have this small kindling fire in my Nordica to bake cakes and cookies and things like that I enjoy baking, then I'm not going to be able to keep my house warm. And that's not true. Okay, so my fire has died down a little bit here. I'm going to go ahead and check my oven temperature again. And I also, after pulling out my damper, I'm going to see where I'm at. So I'm at 320 on the back. I'm at about 420 degrees over here, about 500 degrees over here. So I'm still about 60 degrees off on my temperature range, but it's starting to even out. The fire's starting to die down, and I'm doing cookies, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put them in. So yeah, today I am baking chocolate chip cookies for you guys. I don't really make cookies that often. They look pretty good here. These ones I actually put directly on the enamel pan that comes standard from Nordica. So I'm gonna put this one in, and then I am gonna make two rounds of them. The other ones which I'll place on the rack. So we'll see how it comes out and which one turns out better. Here we have our second pan of cookies. Okay, I'm excited. We'll see how they turn out. Let's check in on these cookies. It smells so good. Like these, I don't know if it's like the coconut oil in them, but it smells like coconut chocolate. Mostly you just see my reflection. These cookies are looking really good. Here is the temperature gauge, which is actually holding pretty accurate based on my digital readings. Okay, my cookies are done. Possibly on the top rack overdone, but I'm hoping not. Not burnt, so looking pretty good. I think these top ones are definitely, might be more crunchy cookies. The bottom ones still look good and soft. Here we have my cookies. They turned out really good. This pan is like a little browner than I personally prefer them. That was on the top shelf. I actually like knew they were done, and I didn't have any hot pads out here, and yeah, they kind of got a little more crisper than I would like, but good. They're still soft. I mean, I'll break one open. You can see they're fully cool. And these are chocolate chip cookies in the Nordica Milly Wood Cookstove. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this baking video. Don't forget, if you like my videos, give it a thumbs up. Click the subscribe button in the corner of the channel. Thank you guys for watching. Have a wonderful day.